Hey guys, Andrew Fire here with MarineMax Maryland, checking out our brand new 2021 Cruiser's Yacht 46 Cantius. Starting back here on the transom, you're gonna notice we have a ton of different features back here. Whether it's having this large storage locker, a nice Kenyan grill, a submersible swim platform with incorporated steps to be able to get easily from the cockpit down to the swim platform. And notice the tracks to be able to incorporate a dinghy or jet ski if you guys want to take that along with you on your trip. Notice we do have access to both sides, whether it's on the starboard side walking straight into the cockpit or the port side walking up along the bow. As we move in to the cockpit, notice simple things like grab rails in nice places, large cleats, nice doorway to close off the cockpit and keep a nice safe area. Moving in, we're gonna have a nice sure shade. It's a great, gets you out of the sun, really covers this area back here to be able to just relax and have a nice cocktail back here. Notice the nice release table back here, beautiful woodwork. Very spacious back here, be able to entertain and have all your nice guests and things like that. We have an ice maker over here and a drink fridge over here as well. And for your convenience, trash can as well, so we don't have to go inside the boat. Cup holders and all of your switches for all of your lights, sure shades, things like that, all in a convenient location. Very nice, easy to get in and out of the boat. Notice the nice 3-panel door that closes all the way across to be able to open up this entire space on the 46 Cantius. It's beautiful. Moving from the cockpit into the galley, you're going to notice a bunch of different amenities. Notice we have a nice Samsung TV, Rockford Fosgate head unit, your Dometic controls for all of your air conditioning and heating, fridges from NovaCool, and then over to this side of part of the galley we have a convection microwave, a deep dish bowl sink, a induction stovetop from Kenyan, and all the storage. Very nice dark woods and nice contrast in this boat. As we move forward, you're going to notice a nice settee off to the side of the galley along with an elevated dinette. This really adds a bunch of different features, whether it's, you're getting that full wraparound lighting from all the windows here, or if you're running, it leaves the captain at a nice even level with you, so you can have a nice talking area, or the captain's not alone. The table does fold up to be able to, close up that area and ease of access. Off from this elevated dinette, you're going to notice a few different things. This boat is going to come standard with the Garmin screens, all of your rocker switches, your compass that is in here, your Rockford Fosgate subunit from your opposed to your head unit, which is nice to have, your Volvo digital shift and throttles. You also have a Volvo Penta joystick to be able to move the boat in any which direction you want to go. Notice you also have your Garmin controls to be able to control it from the helm seat and not have to lean forward. Moving down from the dinette and the helm station down into this atrium, you'll notice there's a couple different doorways we can go through. Whether it's here to the starboard side, we have a nice day head that also is used for your VIP. Notice we have a nice Dometic toilet seat, a nice deep bowl there, and an incorporated shower in here that's closed off. Notice the space in here, very large, very spacious to be able to not feel closed in on that. As we move into the VIP, notice you can kind of get to both sides of the bed here. Very nice feature to have, you're not entering the bed from one side. Notice the nice, still rich woodwork with the contrast of the white Corian countertops. Samsung TV, Rockford Fosgate head unit, Dometic controls, windows, opening sunlight to above the head in the bed area. The VIP also does have cedar hanging lockers to be able to hang all your clothes and things like that, and access to the VIP head. Moving to the mid berth, notice that we have on our way there is a nice storage area here. All, anything you want to store there, tons of storage, very deep. Moving into the master, we're going to walk past the master head here, and we're going to start out back here in where the bed is located. Notice that we have being able to access both sides. It does dip down to accommodate the height differences, and then does pick back up with an open area with tons of storage along the starboard side there. And notice where I'm sitting here, a nice settee to be able to, whether you're reading a book or just want to catch, a nice snooze and not get in the bed. It's a totally nice lounging area right in front of your Samsung TV. The master does also incorporate the washer dryer combo unit down here. Whether that's doing just a small load or refreshing a couple things, you can do that down here. It wouldn't be a master with its own ensuite head. So we do have, your enclosed shower, Dometic toilet, nice deep bowl, and storage all throughout. Notice it is still very spacious in here. Moving from here all the way up, we're gonna cut through here and back through the dinette area, and we're gonna finish up on the bow. Finishing up on the bow in this 46 Cantius, you're gonna notice a ton of cool features here. Whether it's your chaise lounges on the bow, your flip out table that tucks nicely underneath your center seat here, or storage underneath both chaise lounges that includes your sunshade that clips into these nice anchors here, clips in and covers your nice bow area here to really get you out of the sun. One of the big features on the Cantius line is your nice power sunroof here. Gets you some air right into the cockpit and into the helm station. Really feel that air as you're running through on those IPS 600s. Thanks for checking out our 2021 Cruisers Yacht 46 Cantius. Give us a call, stop in, we'd love to show you the boat.